Hi, welcome to this video. This is day 30 affiliate marketing beginner to expert 30 days challenge $1,000. So in this video we are just going to see about disclaimer for affiliate. For affiliate marketer, disclaimer is the most important thing. In India it is not an issue. In affiliate networks or in affiliate websites or affiliate video tools, in India it is not necessary. But in if your target audience are in US, or if your target audience are in Europe, the affiliate disclaimer is very must for them. It is must. You have to follow the affiliate disclaimer. So, what is affiliate disclaimer and why you have to follow it? The affiliate disclaimer is that you are just telling to your prospect, you are telling to your customer that I'm not this owner of this product. I'm just a affiliate marketer. If you buy from this links, I'll get a commission and it will not cost any extra money to your pocket. You have to say that, right? So this is the model of how to place affiliate disclaimer. I'll just read it once. xyz.com website is an affiliate site. We are not the owner or creator of the products which are mentioning in this site or on our site. We collect the data by going to different websites and write reviews on our blogs for the users. Links on this website, blog or affiliate links, which means we are going to earn a commission when you buy the product by clicking on these links. It won't cost any extra money to your pocket. This is a affiliate disclaimer. The same meaning you can put some other words, and also you have to place a disclaimer. That is the most important thing. And the disclaimer is placed because in US or UK or in Scandinavian nation, affiliate disclaimer is must. But in India, they won't look at that in a very serious manner. Even though you can place it in any small part in your website or in social media platforms, anywhere in the small piece, small in a footer of your website or blog, you can place it over there. So this is how the affiliate disclaimer works. And another one most important thing I was about to say is, don't never ever buy a domain in the name of a affiliate product. So some 4 years back, I bought an affiliate product. For example, for if I'll just say you an example, if there Adidas shoe is there, you are going if you are acting as an affiliate marketer for Adidas shoe. So please don't buy a website like www.adidasforme.com, adidasforyou.com, the loveadidas.com, hi Adidas, like that. You shouldn't mention the brand name in your domain. If you mention the brand name in your domain, the commissions what they are going to pay you, they will stop it and they will not pay you a single penny. Please don't do this. I myself made a mistake around it in 2015. I don't want to mention the name of the hosting. I for a hosting company, I just took the hosting company's name and I added as dash dash hosting company for you.com. Then after finishing all the promotions, everything I did on that time, I was not aware of email marketing. That is, it's cheap ROI, return of investment is there. On that time, I was not more aware of it. I was targeting on social media ads. I spent lots and lots of money. At last, they said that you are using our brand name in your domain, so we can't pay you the money. And they did not pay me the commissions. What they have to pay. So don't ever use their brand name in your domain. That is the most important thing. Don't use a brand name in the domain. The first one, use a disclaimer. Second one, don't use a brand name in their domain. Right? The third most important thing is, always don't go for social media ads. Social media ads are geo targeting ads. So if you are targeting for a US citizen, if you are targeting for a US citizen, you have to spend around if you spend 1 crore itself in each ad for one view, it costs around one view, $1. So for 1 crore, if you spend 1 crore, you will reach around 1 crore people. So we can't afford. It's a very high budget, costly ad. The social media ads, even a small ad will cost around 1 rupee. If you want to cover a percentage of 30 people, or if, sorry, 30,000 people, you have to spend 30,000 rupees. So never always go for organic traffic. Always go for SEO, do SEO and make an organic traffic, right? It won't cost you, it won't cost that much. Always go for an organic even though it takes some time. It is the long run for you. You cannot spend in social media ads a lot and you cannot get the return of investment as fast as possible. So always go for organic traffic, drive the traffic organically, use backlinks and then start earning money. So that is the most important thing, right? So, disclaimer I have said about the social media ads. I have said about you shouldn't add the URL in your website. And the last one is I've in the affiliate marketing course, I would have mentioned about the email marketing also. And in now landing page, many persons are asking about landing page. I'll just say you what is a landing page. It is no way related to affiliate marketing, but we can use it in certain point. But landing page is a standalone page which is used for sales or email list building or any other digital marketing activities such as offers or coupons, etc. So if you want to make a sale, it's a temporary page. You can design this landing page and you can place it there and you can use it for sales, email list building, digital marketing, like that. So please don't buy a landing page separately. There are many landing page companies like lead ads, unbounds, like that. Please don't go for that landing pages. Always never ever use, since you are a beginner, you don't have to go for those kind of companies. Just go for a email marketing tool. The every email marketer, the major players like Mailchimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, everybody gives a free landing page. And next one is the social media ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads, Instagram ads, lead ads. These all the ads are geo targeting locations. If you are having an institute, if you are having a tuition center somewhere in North in Delhi, you can target in those areas. And the amount spending in the social media ads is very huge compared to the email marketing kind of thing. Even though in this affiliate marketing course, mastery course, I haven't added the social media ads, but in future I will add a separate series for these ads. It takes just one or 2 days to study these ads separately. I'll surely put a separate series of these social media ads separately. And whoever wants to achieve in the field of affiliate marketing, and the person who wants to earn lakhs and lakhs of money in affiliate marketing, and the person who want to become a master in affiliate marketing, please join the course of affiliate marketing mastery module. These are all the topics what is covered in affiliate marketing mastery modules. The topics are starting a blog, to selecting a niche using keywords, search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, email marketing, content writing, social media ads, and it covers all the areas, right? And its most important thing, it's a lifetime access. The doubts are cleared as soon as possible. In 24 hours, all the doubts are cleared. And it also comes with a lifetime access, and it comes with a very small mega amount. It's just a very affordable amount, and many students have started to earn the money like $500, $1,000, $2,000 at a span of 30 to 40 days itself. So please join. If you want to become a mastery in affiliate marketing mastery, please join the course. The basic of affiliate marketing has been discussed in YouTube itself. If you want to become a master in affiliate marketing, please join this course. These are all the modules. And one of the most important thing in this course is I have shared a very big secret. Only 1% of affiliate marketers in the world will share. I have shared the greatest secrets, like not one secret, greatest secrets of affiliate marketing in the course. And the most important thing is you can make lots and lots of money in a short span of time. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.